Making scary edible faces for Halloween. We'll need pita. Fold it in half. Put it on a plate of the diameter of the estimated face. Press the pita harder to the edges of the plate to draw a circle. The main thing is not to tear it. Remove pita from the plate and with scissors cut a circle along the resulting contour. As a result, we get two circles. They may be with some inequalities. Therefore, you can trim them. Take the next pita, fold it in half and put the resulting circle on top. Then cut the pita in the shape of this circle. Do the same with the remaining pita. We get an even number of circles. Divide the resulting circles into pairs. In each upper circle of the pair we cut a face. Grate the cheese. Spread the cheese over each lower circle and cover with the face. Now put our faces to the oven or microwave until the cheese melts. The cheese is ready. Now decorate the faces with ketchup. Draw scars, fangs, and more. Done! Bon appetit and happy Halloween!